The first of many work centers is comprised of multi-spindle Swiss production machines. Feature-based part families on each machine are produced utilizing up to 11-axis, 2-spindle, simultaneous machining. Micro-machining capability can produce flatness up to 20 millionths of an inch.
Production flexibility affords for batch sizes to range from 10 pieces up to 10,000 piece runs.
Alloys are fed into the machine via integral bar feeders, then actioned by the dual spindles located inside the machine. Unique coolants are utilized to reduce heat transfer, promoting longer tool life and sharper material cuts. Our continuous improvement efforts drive focus on setup reduction and part quality.